Namaste, I'm Aarti Chawla and welcome to my channel, The Indian Bling Girl. Today I'm really excited to share with you all what I got from Myntra, especially from their clothing section in this video. I have got other items as well, but I will be sharing that in some other video. And this video is totally dedicated towards clothing items that I got from Myntra. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. First up, I got this cute little top from the brand called Vinny Vidhi Visi. This is mustard yellow twisted crop top, and this is really pretty. And I did not have something like this, so I thought of giving this a shot. Otherwise, I generally don't opt for polyester tops. I only choose cotton clothes over any other cloth, but because of the pattern and the variety this brand had, it really impressed me, and so I thought of giving this top a shot. This top has managed to impress me. This material is kind of ribbed and it's really comfortable on your body. It hugs you on the right places and yeah, it's super comfortable. It's super lightweight. You won't feel warm in this. This top is made up of polyester and elastane, and you can see it is nicely stretchable. And my size in this is large, and yeah, I'm quite satisfied with this material, this top, and the fit. They have also mentioned that we can wash this top in a washing machine, so it's a total win-win situation. This brand always has a lot of different schemes and offers going on, and they have these kind of fancy tops under budget. So you can try this out. I will leave down the links below in the description box for you all. Second, I got this dress. This is a big cute dress. Okay, it has a pleated hem over here, and yeah, it's pretty cute. I can see myself styling this in many ways. And it has a collar in front and a button detailing behind for the fitting. Okay, so this is from the brand Sarsaparilla. And yeah, it is pretty cute and it has elastic detailing in the end so that you can fit your sleeves anywhere you want. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. My size in this is medium and the fitting is totally amazing. I can see myself styling this in different ways. And yeah, this is pretty cute one. I can see myself wearing this frock in casual outings and just hanging out around. I'm loving this. I'm loving the vibe of it. Next item I got is a one piece dress, and this is a white dress. It is really pretty. It hugs your body on the right places. It has a slit sleeve, a slit full sleeve, and it has a normal round neck. And yeah, the material is kind of sheer, and you need to pair it with a slip inside, a full length slip inside. It's quite pretty, and it can be worn on formal functions or meetings. And yeah, I loved this dress, and it's pretty cute. This is from the brand called Ethna. And yeah, I got this in the size medium. This fits me super, super well. And yeah, that's about it. It totally gives you that formal office wear look. And this can be easily worn on formal parties or formal meeting. Perfect. Or any formal event. Next up, I got this one piece. This is a maxi dress from the brand called Berry Lush, and it has this frill detailings from the center of the neck till the bottom of the dress. It's a full length maxi dress, and here you have a cutout so that you can show off your sexy legs. And yeah, this is totally pretty. It has a zip from the back and it fits super perfectly. The measurements given on the sides are super, super perfect and accurate. My size in this is medium. As per instructions, we can wash this in washing machine. So again, it's a nice one, nice deal, I believe. Next up, I have this casual t-shirt. This is black in color and it looks like a turtleneck, but it isn't. And it has stitching given in the center, and that's its pattern. And it has a little sleeve going on. This t-shirt is 63% polyester, 32% viscose, and 5% elastane. And it is super stretchable, and I love the material. It's super comfortable, and it won't, feel warm on your body. It's super I can see myself wearing it on a casual day. And in the instructions, it is mentioned that we can wash it in washing machine. So yeah, that is about this t-shirt. Next up, I have a pair, kurta and pant pair, and this kurta looks like this, and it has pom poms detailing here in the sleeve end, and it's a pretty long kurta. The bottom is pretty simple, and in the end, it also has the pattern, the same pattern which was on the sleeve. So yeah, it also has pockets on both the sides. So yeah, it's pretty nice, comfortable. The instructions says that we can wash this in hand, and yeah, we are good to go. The material is really cool. It is pure cotton, and the pant is also pure cotton. It is super cool and comfortable to wear, and you can wash it in your hands. And yeah, it's not a big deal. We can do that to secure and keep our clothes clean, neat, tidy, and as they are. It fits really well. The sizing and the measurements on the sides are perfect. You can check those out. Next up is a kurti which my mom liked a lot for me, and she selected this for me. And this is it. It has a choker neck. This is from the brand Libas, and yeah, it has a pom pom detailing on the neck. The neck is a little bit deeper, and it has a hook closure behind. And again, it has a flared sleeves and has a pom pom detailing here on both the sleeves. And yeah, it's pretty cute one. This kurta fits very well and defines your body, your curves beautifully. And yeah, I'm loving this color. I haven't tried brown as much in past, so yeah, I'm loving this very much. So next up, I got two dresses for my mom. Coincidentally, both are from Libas. First one is this maroon and golden printed kurta and trousers set. So it has golden print on it, and yeah, it has pleated pleats over here and button detailings in the front, and the neck is also beautifully patterned. And yeah, the hem is flared, and the pant is also printed. So it has elastic on one side and the plain on the other. And this is the pant. The kurta is pure cotton and the pant is cotton blend, and they have recommended us to wash this in hand, but we will give this for dry cleaning because we don't want this golden print to fade away or wash away. So yeah, dry cleaning will be a better option, and so we'll go opt for that. Next is this kurti, which is fuchsia pink and golden block print, and it has a pant, a sharara pant with it, and it looks like this. It also has elastic on one side and the plain on the front, and it also has a dupatta. Dupatta has the golden detailing here and the three straps, three golden laces on the sides. The kurta and pant is viscose rayon and dupatta is poly chiffon. They have also mentioned that we can wash this in hand, but we will be giving this as well for dry cleaning in order to keep this print, golden print, fresh for longer period of time. So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This video was specially dedicated for Myntra clothing haul. I do have ordered some other stuff also, but I have kept those items for some other video. And do let me know which dress did you like more in the comment section below. And if you want any details or any information, I have linked everything down in the description box below. Do check it out. Do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family and help me grow my virtual family. See you next time. Until then, take care, stay blessed.